You are witnessing a psychological horror disguised as a miracle. This newborn impala, driven by a desperate need for a mother, is nuzzling the very jaws that will eventually crush it. The leopard isn't showing mercy, she's exercising the ultimate form of dominance, treating her prey as a living toy until the arrival of a scavenger forces her hand. The moment that hyena appears in the brush, the charade ends and instinct takes over. In the high-stakes world of the savannah, a friend is often just a meal that hasn't been finished yet.